Well, looks like I'm going to be a little bit late today. I can't even believe it's almost May and this is the shit that happens. Like, I have never gotten stuck in my driveway anytime I've been driving in my life. Not even when I lived in Ironwood. And I'm stuck. And, bank is massive. Like, I mean, this is right up to my car to level with this, so. Yeah. I already called in and told them I'll be late. Looks like I'll be shoveling. Holy shit. Alright. Let's see how much. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Son of a bitch. Okay, well. Oh, man. Oh, fuck. I swear too much. Yeah, that's just not fair. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out of here. Shit. Well, I guess we actually got snow this time. I should just use a vacation day. I don't know. Over and out.